Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is Harvey from Black Forex Trader. So I'm back with another YouTube weekly market analysis video. So I'll be analyzing few pairs for you. So in this video I already analyzed the pairs, so I didn't want to waste a lot of time. So as you can see, this DXY, let me just bring on the watermark so that you can see for yourself. Okay, it's fine. This DXY, so as you can see, I already analyzed this index here. So I'm anticipating for them to do what? To make a small drop, then this here. If you want to trade it, you can take the entry here. After the drop, they will make a small pullback, not exactly at this level that I drew, but they'll make a small pullback. Then we continue with them to this demand zone here. So for me, this is the setup that I will be looking at during the week until they reach my target, which is this one here. So if we go to Eurusd, I believe it's the same thing but opposite side. So as you can see here, I already drew everything. So as you can see, this is a QML pattern here. So this is more like the R1 R2 level, more like resistance lines here. Then this part here is the fake out zone here. So for me, if they give me an entry for the buy, I'll take them up until here, then they will reverse, go down here, but from this point I won't do anything. I'll wait for them until they reach this level here, then I'm gonna sell from this point here. So for me, eventually my bias here is to wait for them to push the market until they reach this point and then they go down. So that will be all here on Eurusd. Then let's move to AUD CHF. So CHF is like this. This high here, it respected the supply zone on the left hand side on daily time frame. Then I just didn't draw it because I already know about this high here. Then here, as you can see, I have two other blocks here. The first one is this one here. This is where I anticipate the market to reject from. Then if they don't respect this order block here, then I will go to the second one, which is this one here. But for now, I want us to look at this one here. Then the market will continue with a drop, because if I go to daily, you will see that the market is rejecting. As you can see, the market is rejecting with a huge momentum. Then they'll just make a small pullback, then they continue going down. So that's all on AUD CHF. Then let's see what we have again. Okay, we have GBP/USD. It's the same thing here. We have this drop-based drop pattern here. This is our supply zone. So as you can see, if I can go to 30 minutes, it's the same thing. So as you can see, this is the break of structure here. As you can see, then this was our order block. It was respected here. It went down, break the structure. The order block, you can see, is the supply zone. As you can see, the drop, base drop. So it's a continuation pattern. So we are also doing what? Waiting for them to give us a downtrend entry point, which is somewhere around here. And then we take the entry, then we drop with them until this is my target here. This is where I'll be exiting my trades. So it's more like a swing, or if they swing, but if I reach my target in the middle here, I'm just gonna close. But this is the target where I anticipate the market to push to. Understand? So let's see what we have here. NZD CHF, it's the same thing here. We have this order block here. This is the break of structure, then this is the order block. Then we also anticipating for the market to just push a little bit higher to this point, then they continue with their sell. So same thing here. This high represent the daily supply zone. So this is just more like a continuation pattern here for the downside. So let's check EuroJPY. So EuroJPY, if you remember on the latest video, I posted this analysis here. As you can see, the analysis was respected here, then they dropped. Then I'll be focusing on the drop side, which is this part here. So as you can see, we also have what, a break of structure. Then we have what, the supply zone or the order block level here. Then if you go to 30 minutes time frame, it's the same thing, but I'm gonna adjust my line to this candlestick here. Then let me zoom it out. Then yes, this will be our entry point if the market respects this level here. So remember, before taking a trade, you must wait for a rejection movement. We don't just enter a trade just because I said the market is gonna reverse here. You wait for the rejection movement, then you get the pattern, then you take the entry, then you go down with the trend. Unless if you're using pending orders, just make sure you put your stop loss, then you will be safe. So that's all for today, guys. I'm going to make this video